Hello everyone, hope you people are doing good. So in this video we are going to solve previous year question paper for reasoning. So this is for 14th July third shift. Okay, so basically reasoning is a kind of subject in which you can score 50 out of 50. Okay, you can get perfect score if you follow good strategy. I have seen many people taken this subject for granted, and they could able to get only 43 to 44 marks out of 50. But believe me guys, in this subject you can easily get 50 marks if you put enough time here. Okay, so these 6 to 7 marks definitely will matter you. Okay, because many people might miss the cutoff by only 1 to 2 marks. Okay, so for those students definitely these 6 to 7 marks matters a lot. Okay, and coming to mains, if you didn't get enough marks in reasoning, definitely these 6 to 7 marks will cost you in a way, like you might be end up in a post like tax assistant or postal assistant, which is 2400 grade pay, and you might lose 4600 grade pay like inspector cadre. So definitely even one mark matters a lot in this competition. Okay, so always don't take this subject lightly at any cost. Okay, so you just solve the questions in parallel with me. Okay, so now let us solve the questions. So the first question is, so they have given some numbers and they're asking which numbers will follow the same series. Okay, so for these questions, okay, you should have good idea on multiplication tables. Okay, so many people think that there is no need of knowing multiplication or squares or cubes. Okay, but for reasoning you should know multiplication tables. Okay, and you should know squares and you should know cubes. These are very important. Okay, to solve these kind of analogy questions. Okay, then only you can solve these questions very quickly. Now coming to this question, so if you closely observe here, so they have given 3 9 30 and 10 3 33. Okay, so if you see here, it is falling pattern like 9 into 3 27 plus 3. Okay, in the same way sorry guys, I one second. So if you see here, if you multiply these two, okay, it will be 10 into 3 30. Okay, 10 into 3 30 plus 3. So that's why that's how we are getting 33 here. Okay, this will come by looking at the observation only. Okay, or else you can write down like this. So here if you see here, 3 9 30, so 3 9s are 27. Okay, 3 into 9 plus 3. So in the same way, if you see here, 6 into 9 54 plus 3 57 should be here. So this is not following. 8 into 8 64 plus 3 not following. 12 into 3 36 plus 3 39, it is following. 9 into 7, it is also not following. Okay, so I hope you people understand this question. Now coming to the next question. So they are asking select the figure which that will replace the question mark in the following series. Okay, so for this question, if you observe, so here it was in dark and here it was in plain, and again it was black here. So definitely it will be again plain here, means it will be like this for circle. So definitely all four options have same option. Okay, now coming to, if you see rhombus, it moved to here. Okay, but here it was dark, here it was plain. Okay, and then it moved to this position, it was dark. So definitely in the fourth option it will be plain. Okay, it is in alternative. So definitely this will be eliminated. Okay, now coming to the next one, if you see so that figure is done and this figure is also done. Now if you see for the triangle figure, it is from this from here to here it moved, again from here to here it moved. Okay, so definitely it will come in the fourth position, means it will come here only. Okay, so you can eliminate this option here. Okay, so now we will see how it is triangle is moving. Okay, so first initially it was here. Okay, now if you move this triangle 90 degrees anti-clockwise, okay, how it will be? It will be like this. Okay, again if you move this triangle again anti-clockwise, okay, how it will be? It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. Now if you move the triangle again 90 degrees in anti-clockwise, it will be like this. Okay, so the correct option will be, again this will be eliminated, so this will be the right option. Okay, so definitely this question will take around 40 to 45 seconds. Okay, so if you people could not try in the first attempt, leave it for second attempt, you can mark it for review, no problem. Okay, mark for review. So definitely in exam there will be, out of 25 questions in reasoning, definitely there will be 22 questions which are easy to moderate. Okay, you should be able to solve these questions at least 13 minutes. Okay, and remaining 3 questions definitely they will be tough only. Okay, these questions you can spend around 6 minutes, no problem. Okay, those will be tough and you can mark it for review. Okay, now coming to the next question. So they have given some series, so they are asking us to find the missing. Okay, so for these questions, as I mentioned earlier, you need to split the letters. Okay, so you just count how many letters are there. If you see here, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 11, 13, 16, 20 are there. Okay, so you can split 5 numbers. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, and 3 plus 2 5. So if you see here we are getting RMN, here we are getting MN, here we are getting R, means it will be RMN is repeating, so it will be RMN here, again it will be R here, again it will be RMN here, RMN OD, so definitely here also D is there, so it will be RMN OD. Okay, so it will be OD, here it will be D. So it will be, in the end it will be MD, means this will be eliminated, and in the starting it is MNOD, so MNOD means this will be eliminated, this will be eliminated, this is the correct option. Okay, so I hope you people understood. Now coming to the next question. So they have given set of figures, they are asking us to find the next figure. So if you see here, rhombus is moving like this. Now next it came here, so definitely in the fourth figure it will come here, means it will be like this. Okay, so you can eliminate this option, one option is gone. Okay, now this option is gone because the place, if you see the place, the rhombus should be in, so we left with the 2 options. Okay, now we need to figure out how this is rotating. So if you see here, this figure is rotating 90 degrees in anti-clockwise. Okay, so if you move this figure in 90 degrees anti-clockwise, definitely this will come here, because this triangle shape will come 90 degrees like this. So again here it was moved 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so if you move this figure in 90 degrees anti-clockwise again, so you will, this shape will come here only, so this is the only option. Okay, so I hope you people are understanding. Now coming to the next question. So they have given some pattern, so they have given some series and they are asking us to find which number will follow the series. For these questions, what you need to do is write down initially, like 12 plus 8 is 20, 12 minus 8 is 4, and write down squares also. Here it will be 144, here it will be 64. Okay, and here 16 plus 10 is 26, the difference is 6, 16 square is 256, 10 square is 100. Now try to identify the relationship between these numbers. Okay, so if you closely observe this one, okay, so 144 minus 64 is 80. that is we can clearly visible. But how 64 is coming, that we need to identify. If you follow for the second one also, 16 square is 256 minus 10 square is 100. 100 is not working, but how 131 will come? It will come by 125 only. But how it is coming 64, and here 64 is coming like 8 by 2 whole square, okay, whole cube, sorry, 4 cube. In the same way, if you see here, or else you can correlate it like 4 cube or 5 cube. And again you need to identify how 4 will come, 5 will come. 4 will come by divided by 2 and 5 will come divided by with 2. Okay, so the pattern is, if you take a b c, the pattern is like a square minus b divided by 2 whole cube. Okay guys, you can mark this question. Okay, definitely this is this is a kind of question, definitely you should mark it. This is very important question, you can practice for in future also. Okay, so in the same way, definitely it will be 9 square is 81 minus 6 by 2 whole cube. If you see 81 minus 3 cube means 27, it will be 54. So this is the correct answer. Okay, you can mark this question. Okay, now coming to the next question. So they have given some words, they are asking us to find the how they would appear in the dictionary. So if you closely observe, first three are same in all the words. Okay, no need to check. Now verify. Fourth one, C here, D here, I here, C here, O here, T here. Okay, now if you see here, definitely C will come first out of these. So either 1 or 4, you need to verify whether 1 or 4, which one will come first. Okay, so for C, if you see, the next one is A here, the next one is R here, so obviously A will come. So 1 4 is the starting one, so this is eliminated, this is eliminated. So again you left with the two options. Okay, now in these two options you no need to check for entire words. Okay, if you see the options here 5 6, here 6 5, okay, you just find out which one will come before. Okay, so it is panorama or it is O or T, definitely it will be O only, so 5 6. Okay, in this way you can solve the question. Okay, now coming to the next question. For anklet you will wear through ankle. Okay, so bracelet you will wear in the wrist. Okay, so this question it is a common sense question. Now coming to the next question. So they have given 864 for 12, 1372 for 14. Okay, 2048 they have given, they are asking us to find. So as I mentioned, for to solve these kind of questions, what you need to do, just try to find out if there is any multiple. If the here it is a bigger number, so you can go for multiple. So it will be 12 7 84 against 12 into 72. Again you can write 12 into 6, correct na? Okay, so you can write again 6 as 12 into 12 into 12 by 2, correct na? So it will be like 12 cube by 2. So 12 cube is 1728 by 2. If you know the cube, definitely you can directly get some analogy. Okay, so that's why I'm saying cubes are very important. Okay, again squares also. So again for 14 also it will be, I think it will be 14 cube by 2. 14 cube is 2744. How do I know? So I already studied now, so you can verify. If you divide with 2, 2 13 is 26, 7 2, correct, it is following. So definitely for 16 it will follow. Okay, you can verify. Now coming to the next question. So they have given MOC here, MKW here. Okay, so if you observe here, M is 13, O is 15, O is 15 only, right? It will be 15 only. C is 3. Okay, so M is 13, K is 11, here W is 23. Okay, so which pattern it is following? If you see, closely observe, the sum is 26 here, 26 here, 26 here. Katam question. So for D, K, R, it will be 4, 11. R is how much? R is T means 18, I think. Okay, so 4 you need to add how much? 26 means 22, 15, 8. Okay, here it will be H, here it will be O, here it will be V. Okay, now coming to the next question. So they are asking select the correct mirror image. Okay, so in mirror image right will become left. Okay, so here right side means it will be N. Okay, so here you can't eliminate because all options have same. Okay, for 2, okay, for 2 how it will be, it will be like this. Okay, for 2, so it will be this will be eliminated, so 3 options you left. Again after W, for D how it will be like this. Okay, so again these options are same, these are same again, so you can differentiate for 9 only. So for 9 how it will be, it will be like this. Okay, so you can verify this one will be eliminated. Again between these two which one will be difference, for 4 definitely it will be like this. Okay, so this will be eliminated, this is the correct answer. Okay, now coming to the next question. So 3 of the following letter clusters are alike in which one is different, they are saying. So if you closely observe, between D and F one letter missed. Okay, and between F and J, F G H I 3 letters missed. Again between J and L one letter missed. Again K L M means one letter missed. M and O again one letter missed. O P Q means one letter missed. Here A B C one letter missed. C D E F means 3 letter missed. Here one letter missed. Here one letter missed. Here 3 letter missed. Here one letter missed, means all 3 options are same. So this is the correct answer. Okay, now coming to the next question. So in a certain language plant is written like this. You can write down plant N R D V P. Okay, so if you see here how which pattern it is following, for P what is the number, it will be 16. Okay, for L I think it is 12. Okay, for A 1, N is it is 14, T is 20. For N it will be 14. For R it will be RST means 18. For D it will be 4. For V it will be 22. For P it will be 16. Now we need to find out how the pattern it is following. 16, 14, 12, 18, 1, 4, 14, 8. No. Now if you closely observe this one, here it is P is coming like this. Is it following so? I don't think so, because in the reverse way also it should come, right? So it is not coming. Now N R D V P, this is D na. Okay, now if you closely observe this, here we have 20, here we have 22, means plus 2 has happened. Here 14 is there, here 16 is there, plus 2. Again 16 and 18 here plus 2. Again L and N means plus 2. For 1 and 3 plus 3. So this is the pattern guys. Okay, so you can verify for grind also. For D it will be 4, for N it is 14, for I it is 9, for R it is 18, for G it will be 7. So definitely what will come here, you can if you see the options, the first option is different in all the options. Okay, so how the first option will come, here it will be 18 plus 2, 20 means T. So no need to solve the entire question. Okay, now coming to the next question. 8 28 53, 8 28 53, 7 25 47, and 13 43 question mark. So if you closely observe here, 8 into 3 plus 8 3 is 24 plus 4, 7 into 3 plus 4, 13 into 3 plus 4, this is fine. Now 28 into 2 56 minus 3, 25 into 2 50 minus 3, so 43 into 2 minus 3 is the answer, 83 is the answer. Okay, so coming to the next question. So they have given some numbers, so they are asking us to find which pattern doesn't follow, I think. Okay, so they have asking odd number pair. So for these questions if you closely observe, mostly it will be either addition or difference only. Okay, if you see here 6 we have, here we have 5, means the difference is 1. Here 7, here 6, means the difference is 1. Here 3, here 2, the difference is 1. So like this in many of the cases it will be, pattern will be like this only. So you can check. Okay, 6286 minus 1965, how much? it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 3, it will be 4. Again 8247 minus 3926, it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 3, it will be 4. So this is the pattern, guys. So you can directly mark this option. Okay, now coming to the next question. So they have given for GL, they have given 9476. For lame, they have given 8694. So they are asking for what is for M. Okay, so if you see the two words, what words are common here? E is common, L is common, A is common. So in these two, what is common? 9 is common, 6 is common, 4 is common. So 694 are the root words, 694 are the numbers, okay, for L, A, E, whatever may be the sequence. Okay, so definitely for M it will be 694 will not belong to M at any cost. Okay, so in the options 694 should not be the case, so option will be 8. Okay, or else you can check 694 is gone, so here 8 is pending, so for M it will be 8. Okay, now coming to the next question. So here if you see you can split these this bigger sentence. Okay, so if you see here 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, again 20. So you can split 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5. Okay, so LTK is here. Okay, here T is there, here V is there, means it is following some sequence. Okay, so it will be after T it will be U, T U V, again W here. Okay, in that way you need to identify. So here it is last H, it is fine. Now here third letter is K, here also K, definitely the third is always K. Okay, so KJH. So here J is here also J is here, definitely it will be J only here also. So the pattern will be JUK, here it will be L, JUK L K W J. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. The next question is they have given 82 35 78 18 27 30. You just write down initially. So 82 plus 35 is 117. 82 minus 35 is how much? 35 plus 47. Okay, now 18 plus 27 is how much? 45. 18 minus 27 is 9. Okay, now try to identify, is there any relation between 117 and 78 or 45 and 30. If you closely observe, 117 into 2 by 3 is 78. In the same way 45 into 2 by 3 is 30. Guys, this question you can definitely mark it. Okay, so but again, if you know the 39 table, you can definitely mark this question. Definitely this is not a tough question, it is easy question if you know the 39 table, because it will be 39 3s are 117, 39 2s are 78, then only you can find out that it will be into 2 by 3. Okay, so in the same way for you can check for 27 33 40. So it will not follow for this one, because if you can check like 21 27 24. So 21 plus 27 will be 48. 48 into 2 by 3 will be how much? 1 second, guys. It will be 48 into 2 by 3. Sorry, whichever is following they're asking. Okay, so you can verify for 27 33 40. So 27 plus 33 is 60. 60 into 2 by 3 means it will be 40. It is following, it will follow. Okay, so you can mark this question. Okay, you can practice this question multiple times. Okay, now coming to the next question. So how is Z is related to Q in the following expression? So this question how I will do is, so I will not use pen for this question. Okay, I will directly solve this question directly. So here they have given dollar. Dollar means daughter. Okay, so after that star. Star means brother. Your daughter's brother is obviously son. Next your son's at the rate means it is father. Your son's father is, sorry I'm missing somewhere, 1 second, guys. So if you see here, dollar means daughter. Okay, daughters, your daughters. Star means brother. Your daughter's brother means your son. Your sons at the rate means what? At the rate means father. Your son's father. Your son's father means you only. Okay. And at dollar means it will be daughter. So it will be daughter means Q is the daughter of Z. So this is the relation we got. So they are asking how is Z is related to Q. Z is related to Q. So either it must be Z will be either father or mother. Okay, but in the options if you do have these two, then only you can solve the entire question by using diagram or something. But here you have mother only, definitely you can mark this answer. Okay, so I hope you people understood. So if you people don't understand how I solve this question, so definitely don't worry, I will solve this question in blood relations concept. So I will soon publish this video also. Okay, now coming to the next question. So they have given plus means minus, minus means multiplication. So this question you should do it in one go. Okay, so 11 minus means what? Multiplication. 14 plus means what? Plus means subtraction. Into means what? Division. Divided by means what? Addition. So this is the answer. So 11 into 14 how much? 140. 154 minus 3 plus 104 means 258 minus 3 means 255. This is the answer. Okay, you should solve this question very carefully. Okay, because if you miss anywhere, definitely it will kill your time. Okay, this question basically you should take 40 seconds. Okay, now coming to the next question, guys. So for this question, as I mentioned in the earlier videos, so you need to identify where divided by is, and if there is any decimal, you can directly eliminate that option. Okay, so if you see here, it will be 86 minus 54 plus 34 divided by 68 into 2 is equal to 33. So 34 by 68 definitely it will cut down, so there might be heavy chances for this one. Now coming to the next one, here 86 divided by 54, which is highly impossible. Now coming to third option, 54 divided by 34, there is no possibility to cut down, this will be eliminated because it will come in decimals. Now coming to the next one, 54 by 34 is also not possible. Okay, so this is how you need to solve it, guys. Okay, coming to the next question. So they are asking correct mirror image of the given figure. So in mirror image always right will be left, so definitely this arrow will become this one like this. Okay, and this left side will become like this, means it will come right side. Okay, so this will be eliminated and this will be eliminated, so we left with only one option only. Okay, now coming to the next question. So they are asking what is the exact mirror image of the given problem. Mirror image means, so right will become left, so here it will be right side, so it will come left side only, so this will be eliminated. Okay, and this will be eliminated. Now we left with two options. Okay, if you closely observe here, okay, so here we are getting two like this, but there is no there is a possibility. One second, guys. So if you see here, this one is marking, it one is pointing towards the left. Okay, definitely it will point towards the right. Okay, like this, here it is coming, this is also fine. Okay, so if you see, try to see the difference, here it is pointing to the right side. Okay, this one, so in the mirror image it will point to the left side definitely, so this one is the option. Okay, so elimination is the key, guys, for solving these kind of questions. Now coming to the dice, so if you see here, white common here, so white is the only thing common, so you can write down in the clockwise direction. So white, blue, red, and white and red both are common here. So white is common, red is common, white is common, red is common. As I mentioned in the dice rules, definitely blue will be opposite to black, the remaining will be opposite to each other, so blue and black will be opposite. So they are asking what is opposite to blue, so definitely it will be black. Okay, so I hope till you people understand everything. Okay, so that's the session, guys. So if you people like the session, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, take care.